In today's video I will be teaching you how to spot when a girl is crushing on you. Maybe you work together, or she's your best friend or a girl at your school. Your heart skips a beat when you run into each other, and you realize you have feelings for her big time. You want to act on them, but you worry, does she feel the same way? Fortunately, you don't have to guess. There are lots of signs that someone is developing feelings for you, and they are not hard to spot if you know where to look. The following signs will help you find out if your crush might have a crush on you too. Stick to the end, the last 3 will amaze you. Sign number 1. She brightens up when she sees you. We often get happy and excited around someone we're attracted to. Pay close attention next time you're together. If the sight of you almost always brings a smile to her face, it's possible that she has feelings for you. Women don't know how to hide this sign. Sign number 2. She has open body language. Open body language shows someone feels safe and engaged around you. Getting extra close when you talk and turning towards you are examples of open body language. Keep an eye out for mirroring, which is when someone copies how you're sitting or standing. If she mirrors your body language when you're together, it's usually a good sign. Sign number 3. She gets nervous even though she's happy to see you. It's common to feel a little nervous around someone you're crushing on. Pay attention to how she talks to you versus other people around her. If talking to you gives her extra butterflies, it's a sign that she might have a crush on you. Sign number 4. She has trouble keeping eye contact. Breaking eye contact is a sign of feeling nervous. This happens to us when we're talking to someone we're attracted to, or when we're nervous in general. If she seems happy to be around you but struggles to make eye contact when you talk, it could be another sign of butterflies. She may seem unrelaxed but do not break eye contact. Breaking eye contact is a sign of low confidence. Sign number 5. She teases you more than usual. Teasing can be a sign of flirting. If her teasing makes you smile, it could be a way of getting your attention, especially if she lets you tease her back. Just remember that teasing is not the same as making fun of someone, so always be careful and respect her feelings. Sign number 6. She likes your posts and follows you back on social media. Engaging with someone's social media is another way to get their attention. An occasional thumbs up might not mean much. But if she suddenly starts liking and commenting on everything you post, it could be a sign that she likes you quite a bit and is likely crushing on you. Sign number 7. She's been texting more often than usual, and in different ways than before. Frequent texting is a good sign, especially if she keeps the conversation going with a flirty emoji or more. Double texting and quick reply might be a subtle hint too. Sign number 8. She finds ways to spend time with you one-on-one. Nothing says, "I want you," like wanting to be alone with you. Pay attention to her body language when you're alone together. If she's always finding ways to have you all to herself and in her personal space, it's a strong sign that she may have a crush. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification. Sign number 9. She's been opening up to you more than expected. Sharing your inner life with someone is an act of trust. It's hard to be vulnerable, especially when you have romantic feelings for someone. If she's in your personal space and opening up to you more than she used to, she might have deeper feelings for you. She might reveal her dirty secrets and regrets, but try not to be judgmental or sarcastic, as this could be a red flag and likely turn her off. Sign number 10. She seems genuinely interested in what you have to say. Listening to someone shows that you really care. If she lets you open up to her, it could be a sign that she's crushing on you, especially if she opens up to you too. Be yourself and see how your conversations go, but do not revisit finished discussions. Sign number 11. She laughs at your terrible jokes. Being attracted to someone makes them seem funnier. Think about it. Are you always making her laugh? Does she make you feel like a natural comedian? Maybe you are. Or maybe she just thinks you're cute perhaps. Pay attention to these signs. Sign number 12. She compliments you more often than usual. Believe it or not, it's the little compliments that matters most. Maybe she thinks your shoes are super cool, or she loved that painting you posted on Instagram last week. Watch out for little compliments like these. They might be a good sign, especially if you pick up on other signals too. Sign number 13. She gets touchy-feely. Some people get extra touchy when they are attracted to someone. Brushing up against you, touching your arm, and sitting up against you are all things to look out for. If you've noticed her doing these sorts of things more often lately, it might be because she's attracted to you. Note this sign: a girl would only get touchy-feely with a guy she's interested in. Sign number 14. She's always in your DMs. DMs are a great way to low-key flirt. Like texting, you'll want to be on the lookout for flirty emojis, cute memes, and conversations that go on at all hours, day and night. If she wants your attention, this is a great way to get it. Bonus points if she continues the conversation in person when next you meet. Sign number 15, the last. She wants to spend more time with you. Spending time together can help romantic feelings blossom. As always, context is super important, so look out for multiple signs. If she texts all the time, get close when you talk, laughs at your jokes, and she still wants to see more of you, there's a real possibility that she sees you as more than just a friend. With these few signs, you can tell if your crush or that close friend is secretly crushing on you. It might be a good time to up your game and shoot your shot. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay on guard. Bye.